What is freelance writing? Freelance writing is any time you get paid to write by someone who is not your employer. If you get paid money to write something and you are not an employee of the person that pays you to do it, you are in fact a freelance writer. There you go. In about 10 seconds, I summed up the entire point of this video. No burying the lead here. You can move on with your life if you were just looking for the answer to that question. But if you want to know a little bit more about freelance writing and why it may or may not be a good fit for you to get started with this year, then keep watching. Okay, so now that we understand what freelance writing is, I just want to go through a few common questions that might help you as you are trying to learn more about freelance writing. First off, you might be saying, should I consider a career or at least a part-time job as a freelance writer? I don't know. Do you like to write? Are you halfway decent at writing? Do you want to be able to work for yourself? Are you okay hitting deadlines? Can you be flexible and easy to work with? If you answered yes to all those things, then freelance writing can be a great thing for you. Honestly, I think that freelance writing is the best way for most people to get started building a business on the internet because it's a skill you've already got, it's in huge demand, there's lots of different types of jobs out there depending on what your current skill set is and what you're looking for, and you can get started pretty much right away, today, within a week. If we worked one-on-one, within a week, I could get you your first freelance job. I am 80% confident that that would be true for most of you. So the next question you might have is, what are some examples of freelance writing jobs or things you can do? Well, look at it this way. Any written word you have seen on the internet or off the internet can and has been done by a freelancer. So just a few ideas we're throwing out there. Blog posts, sales pages, about pages, internet ads, product descriptions, proofreading, editing, magazine articles, newspaper articles. I could go on. You get the idea. Literally anything can be done by a freelancer. If you are just getting going, then I would suggest planning on freelancing general content writing, blogging, essentially, because there are millions of blogs out there. Literally just about every business out there has a blog, and almost every person that has a blog, especially successful ones, they could use more help with their content. And if you are a person that can be reliable and adaptable and be a good writer and have some reasonable rates, you can get a job as a freelance content writer. 100%. I have recently just hired 4 freelance content writers just in the last couple of weeks for my business. So that brings us to the next question. How do you find freelance writing jobs? Well, the easy way would be to go to one of the many sites that hires freelancers. Our favorite are Endash, Skyward, Clearvoice, and Contently. Those are 4 of the best places out there for getting high-paying freelance writing jobs. But those are not the best ways to get freelance writing jobs. The best way to go out if you are a new freelance writer is through the cold pitch. It's not fun, it's not exciting, but you make a giant list of agencies, businesses, blogs, people that you think might be a good fit for you to write for, that you think might need freelance writers, and you send them a letter of introduction. You just email them out of the blue, you introduce yourself, you strike up a relationship, you see if it works. That's the best way to get clients, and that's how I teach people how to do it. You start with that. You can do those job boards and those services as well, but sometimes it can be a little bit tougher to get going. So by reaching out directly tends to work better. So there you go. Normally I would ramble on for another 5, 10, 15 minutes, but that was not the point of this video. The point of this video is to clearly and concisely answer a few questions about freelance writing. The most important of which is, what is freelance writing, which you now know is getting paid to write by anybody or any entity that is not your main employer. The second question, should you become a freelance writer? The answer is probably yes, because it's one of the best ways I know to build a business online, start building a side income, and build your skills, income, and momentum so that you can be successful as an online entrepreneur. What are different types of freelance writing? Literally anything that is written. That's it. Anything, any type of writing can be freelanced. And then how do you go find these freelance jobs? You can go to online job boards or services like Contently, Endash, Clearvoice, or Skyward, or you can take the route that takes a little bit more work but works better, and that is through the cold pitch. So there you go. That's all I got for you today. Quick one. If you're looking for more help building a freelance business online, go watch this video right there. It's going to be super helpful for you. And if you want more videos about how to build a business with your words online, either through freelancing or blogging or affiliate marketing, that's what we do here at Location Rebel. Hit subscribe, thumbs up, do all the things. And if you really want us to hold your hand, go to locationrebel.com/FWG, stands for Freelance Writing Guide. Get our free book, and we'll go from there. See you on the next one. Peace.